Attention everyone, prepare to have your perception of reality shattered. For years you've been fed colossal lie, and today I'm here to drop the truth bomb. We've all been led to believe that the ultimate fall foliage is in the countryside, with cows, pigs, horses, and all that rustic charm crap. You know, nature, plants, bugs, creepy crawlers, that sort of thing. Fertilizer that smells. You know, you all know what I'm talking about. Here's the thing. It's just a charade.
What do you say?
A grand deception that has been handed down for generations. They told us to escape to the mountains, flee the concrete jungle, head to the sticks for the best fall colors. Well, guess what? We've all been played, folks. And who's the mastermind behind the scheme that has fooled Americans for decades? None other than the Big Apple, New York City. And I've got the evidence to prove it. But thanks to this mind-blowing footage, which I'm about to share with you, I've got the proof. It's New York City. Central Park to be exact. But before you start hating on New York City, would you tell anybody if you had this in your backyard? I know I wouldn't.
No.
I'd keep it a secret too. So I get it, guys. I get it. I came across this while researching another video, thanks to the journalist. Check out his channel, it's amazing. I've seen this footage, wow. So maybe this year, ditch the countryside cliche, head to the city for some amazing burst of colors. New York City, perhaps. Especially Central Park is where I would go. I'd love to explore Central Park in the autumn. But that's not happening. So, for those of you like me who can't quite make it right now, I leave you with this footage. Enjoy. And if you guys have enjoyed the video and want to explore more, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing travel content. For a deeper dive into travel destinations across America, check out our website, americantravel.fun, where you'll find in-depth guides, travel tips, and more. Plus, if you happen to be in the market for some unique art or beautiful landscape photography for maybe a gift for someone or yourself, we have Redbubble Shop. Here you can find original art or landscape photography from across the country on a range of products. As always, thank you for watching.